There are plants out there that help each other grow. They're like besties, BFFs, and they want to be together. Okay. You don't want to plant them in separate places. It's kind of like me and my girlfriends when I was in school. I was a talker and I was constantly getting in trouble. So they would separate us. They want to be together. These plants want to be together. They help each other. And there's a variety of ways that they help. Some of them help repel pests. Some of them attract pests away from the other one. Some of them help some plants grow bigger and sweeter and be more productive. This is all natural. That doesn't take a chemical at all. This plant makes this one grow, so you put them together. We're going to go into a lot of detail on that on the next episode because it's such a terrific thing to use when you're planting your garden.